Today I am going to tell you about two such simple and working indicators, which are stochastic oscillator and MACD indicator, with the help of which the ratio of this strategy changes like this. I analyzed these indicators a lot, and then after making some changes in its settings, I started getting good ratio. This strategy is very easy, but to understand it, you should watch the entire video. Because till the end of the video I keep telling some important secret things. So first of all, for this strategy, set the candle timing to 15 seconds. And set the expiry timing to 30 seconds. This works as a good combination. After this, go to the indicator's settings, and add the stochastic oscillator and MACD indicators. After this, go to the settings of the stochastic oscillator, and add 10 here. Leave 3 here, set 4 here, and select TMA here. Then there is no change in colors. And save it. After that, go to the settings of MACD indicator, and set 6 here, set 15 here, and set 8 in signal period. And its color settings are also default, and save it as well. And here all our settings are complete. So here I got a very good chart. This is a good opportunity to place an entry here, because the blue and orange line of the stochastic oscillator have gone below this yellow line, which is an oversold zone, and now both the lines are crossing each other and are looking to move in the upward direction, but we will have to wait a little more, so that it crosses more clearly in the upward direction. And also in MACD indicators, we have to wait till the green and red lines cross each other in the upward direction. When this cross is formed, we can easily place an entry, because there is a plus point here. There is also a good support here where the market is moving up, taking support. So here the green and red lines of the MACD indicator have crossed each other in the upward direction. And the stochastic has also provided a good signal in the upward direction, so this was a good opportunity to place an entry here. And it was very good. Here our prediction was correct. So there can be a good entry here also. Because here the blue and orange lines of the stochastic oscillator are coming above this green line, and showing overbought condition. And now they have crossed each other in the downward direction. And now they are going towards the oversold zone. This means that the market has now reached a lot higher. Now from here the market has started a downtrend. So here we had placed a total of 3 entries, out of which 1 entry has lost, and the remaining 2 entries have won here. So I have placed the entry again on the same chart, because the big red candles formed in the histogram and the MACD indicator show us that the market has a strong movement in the downward direction, and here we already got a signal in the downward direction. That is why I have placed the entry again here. So here the market came very close to the entry point in the last few seconds, but we made the entry successfully. And I think we can get another entry in the upward direction on this chart, because now the stochastic oscillator has gone into oversold condition. And the MACD indicator is now forming a green candle in the histogram, which is indicating that the trend may move in the upward direction. So we will wait here for a while, so that both these lines of the stochastic oscillator can cross each other nicely in the upward direction. And at the same time the MACD indicator also forms a cross in the upward direction here. So here after a good cross was formed in the stochastic oscillator and MACD indicator, I have placed an entry in the upward direction. But along with this, I also saw that there is a small support zone here, and the market is moving up from this place. And that was great. We won here too. So here also the MACD indicator has provided a very good signal. Like the red and green lines have crossed each other in the upward direction, and the green histogram tells us that there's a strong movement in the upward direction. And at the same time, the moving average lines of the stochastic oscillator are moving from oversold condition to overbought. So here the signal of the market going up is looking strong. So here at the time of entry the market was very close to the entry point, and there is a high possibility of the market going up further. Because till now the market has not reached this resistance. And that's great, here we have one again. And here the indicator provided us a very good signal, and today we have placed a lot of entries, and I like today's result very much. I just want to give you one advice before using the strategy. It is very important to try it in the demo account, because this will give you a good idea about when it is important to place the entry point of the strategy, and when you should not place an entry. If you like this strategy then let me know in the comment, and which is your favorite indicator, mention it too.